In today's economy, having a side hustle is becoming increasingly common. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, or save for a big purchase, there are numerous opportunities to earn extra money. Here, we explore 5 legit side hustles that can help you make $100 a day. 1. Making Lo-fi beats videos for YouTube. Lo-fi beats have become incredibly popular as background music for studying, relaxing, or working. If you have a knack for music production, creating Lo-fi beats videos for YouTube can be a lucrative side hustle. Lo-fi music is characterized by its relaxed tempo and nostalgic feel, making it a favorite among those who seek to enhance their concentration or simply unwind. How to get started. Equipment. To begin, you'll need basic music production software like FL Studio or Ableton Live. Additionally, investing in a good quality microphone and MIDI keyboard will significantly enhance your production capabilities. Skill development. If you're new to music production, there are numerous online tutorials and courses available to help you get started. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer extensive resources for learning the basics and beyond. Content creation. The key to success in this niche is consistency and quality. Create relaxing, repetitive beats with a smooth, mellow vibe. Combine your beats with visually appealing animations or static images that match the lo-fi aesthetic. Tools like Adobe After Effects can help you create engaging visuals. Monetization. Once your channel gains enough subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like Patreon can also offer additional revenue streams by providing exclusive content to subscribers. Earnings potential. Successful lo-fi channels can earn over $100 a day through ad revenue and other income streams. As your channel grows, you might also receive offers for collaborations, further boosting your earnings. If you enjoyed learning about side hustles and want more tips on how to make money online, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. 2. Data annotation. Data annotation involves labeling data for machine learning and AI projects. This work is crucial for training algorithms in various applications, from self-driving cars to natural language processing. It's an excellent side hustle for those who are detail-oriented and enjoy repetitive tasks. How to get started. Platform. Sign up on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Appen, or Lionbridge. These platforms connect you with data annotation tasks from various companies. Skills. Attention to detail and the ability to follow guidelines precisely are essential. Each task will have specific instructions that you must adhere to for accurate annotation. Types of tasks. Tasks can range from labeling images and videos to categorizing text data. For example, you might be asked to identify objects in photos, transcribe audio clips, or tag segments of text. Earnings potential. Depending on the complexity and volume of tasks, data annotators can earn around $100 a day by working consistently. This side hustle offers flexibility, allowing you to choose tasks that fit your schedule and preferences. 3. Become a Walmart creator. The Walmart Creator Program offers influencers and content creators the opportunity to earn commissions by promoting Walmart products. This side hustle is ideal for those who enjoy creating content and have a substantial online following. How to get started. Application. Apply to the Walmart Creator Program through their website. Approval is based on factors such as your audience size, engagement rate, and content quality. Content creation. Use your social media platforms, blog, or YouTube channel to create content featuring Walmart products. This could be in the form of reviews, hauls, or tutorials. For example, you might create a video showcasing a Walmart home decor haul or write a blog post about your favorite Walmart beauty products. Affiliate links. Share affiliate links with your audience. You earn a commission on every sale made through your links. Utilizing tracking tools can help you monitor your earnings and optimize your content for better performance. Earnings potential. With a large and engaged following, creators can easily make $100 a day in commissions, especially during peak shopping seasons like Black Friday or back-to-school periods. Engaging and authentic content will encourage your audience to make purchases through your links, increasing your potential earnings. 4. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a versatile side hustle that can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Writers can produce content for blogs, websites, magazines, and more. This side hustle is ideal for those with strong writing skills and a passion for communication. How to get started. Portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your writing skills. Include a variety of writing samples that demonstrate your versatility and expertise in different subjects. Platforms. Join freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. These platforms connect you with clients looking for writers. Additionally, consider pitching directly to blogs and magazines that align with your interests and expertise. Networking. Reach out to potential clients via LinkedIn and other professional networks. Building relationships with editors and content managers can lead to long-term freelance opportunities. Earnings potential. Depending on your niche and experience, freelance writers can charge anywhere from 5 cents to 50 cents per word. Writing a few articles a day can easily bring in $100 or more. Specialized niches, such as technical writing, copywriting, and SEO writing often command higher rates. 5. Virtual tutoring. With the rise of online education, virtual tutoring has become a popular side hustle. Tutors can teach a wide range of subjects, from academic subjects to test prep and language learning. This side hustle is perfect for those who enjoy teaching and have expertise in a specific subject area. How to get started. Qualifications. Depending on the subject, you may need relevant qualifications or experience. For example, teaching high school math might require a degree in mathematics or a related field, while language tutoring may require fluency in the language and some teaching experience. Platforms. Sign up on tutoring platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or VIP Kid. These platforms connect you with students seeking help in various subjects. Marketing. Promote your services on social media and through local networks. Word-of-mouth referrals can also be a powerful tool for attracting new students. Earnings potential. Tutors can earn between $20 to $50 per hour. Teaching a few sessions a day can help you reach the $100 mark. Additionally, offering group sessions or creating and selling study guides and resources can further increase your income. Side hustles offer a flexible and often enjoyable way to increase your income. Whether you have a creative streak, a knack for detailed tasks, or a talent for teaching, there's a side hustle out there for you. By dedicating time and effort, you can successfully make $100 a day and achieve your financial goals. The key is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your interests and skills, allowing you to enjoy the process while reaping the financial rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online and other valuable content. Happy hustling!